Rivian update here on the 20th. Pumping out these videos today. So on Rivian, I was thinking about selling puts here. It's probably not the worst thing to do, but I do think this is going to go lower. So I don't really want to sell puts if I think this is going to go to like $7. Why would this be going to $7? Well, you have, let me zoom out here. So we have this move down. That was the original IPO. We bounce, and then we make a 5-wave move down. So I think what's going on here, I think this is the original ABC. I have that as the A wave. Then we get an impulse move up. I have that is as an A wave. And then we get this move down, which you could interpret it as a 5-wave move. But I think that it's actually, I'm actually going to make this, I think this is actually the A waves right here. And then you can see here that the 1.61 fib, this goes right to the 1.61 fib of this. So I think this is an ABC expanded flat. That's the B wave there. And so we'll draw a parallel line from here. And so I'm looking for this. I didn't quite get that right, but so I'm looking for something down here between probably like around $7, a little bit less than $7. And if you look at the 1.61 fib of this A wave, of the max it can go, it's also right around there, 682. So I think that this is more than likely going to end up being an ABC pattern. So it's going to end up going maybe something like this down here. And then that's going to be the overall B wave. And then you're going to get this, whenever we get the blow off top of the market, you're going to get this. Something like that. And then after that happens, you'll get one more move down. Who knows how low after that. But this move right here looks to me like it's not an impulse move. It's a ABC move. Could you look at it as a falling wedge? Probably not. The reason I say that is because this is an impulse move. This is an impulse move. If it was a falling wedge, I would want to see ABC, ABC, ABC. These are ABCs, but this was the end of a C wave. This was an A leg. Now we're working on an overall B, and it is ABC moves now, like that. So on this move down right here, I have weekly demand between 10.16 and 11.21. Let's see where the 1.61 fib of $10 goes to. Or let's say 10.13. Goes right there, 688. So I would imagine that this move ends somewhere between 10 and 10.50, and you're going to get something like this. Timing wise, I would say probably finish by December. Similar to what I said about everything else. Probably by the end of the year, you get a move, get this between $6 or $7. And then if it goes to $6 or $7, then on the next move up, you're looking for a minimum of 1631 and a maximum of $68. So it could definitely go like this. That could happen. So if you're buying between $6 or $7, you're gonna make at least like 150% on your position, or more than that, maybe like 150%, all the way up to potentially 10 times your money. So I'm definitely keeping Rivian on my radar, but I think that this is the wrong time to buy. I think it definitely is going to make lower lows. So that's my thoughts on Rivian. Let's see what happens. And just to point this out too, on a lot of these charts, this is what happens. If you go back to like 2021, when we had the blow off top and all the small caps, the runs are like very short. They're like 2, 3, 4 months. We get these parabolic moves, and then everyone wants those moves to happen again, and then they don't happen for years. Then you're just in this chop downtrend for years, and then you finally get one more move higher. It's like 2 months long, and then you get more of the chop. So you have to capitalize on these moves to make money in the market. Otherwise, you're going to be trading in and out on all of these types of moves right here like this. Especially on small cap. They're not going to give you very much. But when they do happen, you can like 10 times your money. So I don't think we're there yet. I've said in other videos 2025, and I still am sticking to that, is when we're going to have a huge move in small caps. So that's Rivian, $6 to $7, and then $16 to $68 after that.